Okay, good morning. This is kareーうどん. You remember that time that I made Japanese beef curry? Basically, if you do have leftovers and it's left in the fridge, or you pre-portioned it and you froze it, this is what you can do with it. That's my frozen curry. Yeah, it looks a bit gnarly, so it's going to be pretty simple. The mandatory ingredients are just your leftover curry and your udon. Everything else, semi-mandatory. This is how you make Japanese curry. I'm going to have the video right here. I'll show you how to do that. And on this side is going to be cold udon. It's going to be cold, but it's the same noodles. It's frozen, it's all good. It's better than the dried packet stuff. That stuff tastes like ass. Now to reheat the curry. If it's frozen, just very low heat. Add a splash of water in here. Okay, whilst you're reheating this, let's do some other productive things. We're going to cut up some spring onion and defrost the udon and make the soup base for it. Get your boiling water from your kettle and do the easy way. Just cover your noodles. It won't take very long at all. Just agitate it, and once it's all separated, you're pretty much done. Basically, this is the same soup base you would use for an instant version of soup with udon or soba. It's called tsuyu. In terms of the curry, it's already seasoned, so you don't need something really salty. This packaging says about 1 to 5 for a standard bowl of udon or soba, but for this, I'd say between 1 to 7 or 1 to 8 ratio. A bit more on the dilute end. That's why you don't really need that much. And it's made of kombu and bonito for the most part, with soy sauce and mirin and a bit of sugar. You should still taste it just in case it's not right. Still a bit salty. Yeah, that's fine. Again, also color is no indicator. Color varies on brand. It's gonna look something like, it's pretty liquidy. It's like, as a rough estimate, for 2 people to get that consistency after defrosting it, 50 mils. Yeah, I made way too much. Just that if it's like thicker, just like add more until you get about this consistency. This is very much an eyeballing dish. It's supposed to be very quick. Unless you make the curry from scratch just for this. It's done. We're gonna plate up. I'm gonna do a couple of optional things. Chili oil, or as the Japanese say, ryu. The curry might be a bit oily for some people, so if you really don't want to use chili oil, you can use shichimi, you know, the 7 spice. But personally, I think this goes best. Again, this is some extra optional shit. This is fried shallots or onions, either one, same thing. It'll work just as well. It'll give it a bit more crispy texture because everything in here is a bit tender or chewy. But yeah, there you go. If you made a curry right, it should taste pretty good.